So we're working on long A and short A today. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to read this first paragraph right here, and while I read it, I want you guys to see if you notice any long A's or short A's. So we have Solving Problems by Lisa Benjamin. In the United States, citizens elect their government representatives. That means the people who live and work in a town, city, or state vote for the most leading members of their government. These members represent the people at different levels of government. Local governments make choices about how to run towns and cities. State governments make and enforce laws for states. Federal governments make and enforce laws for the nation or country. So we just had this paragraph, and I pulled some words out that have an A sound in them. Now I want you guys to look at them and think, are these short A's or long A's? So I'm going to make this a little bigger for us. I guess that was tinier. Little bigger now. Now I have this word states. I'm going to highlight the A in each of these. State, make, nation. What do you notice about all of them? I notice that these ones right here, these first three, I notice that they all have that consonant or that vowel, consonant, silent E. Vowel, consonant, silent E. Whenever I have that pattern, it's always going to be a long A sound. So I'm going to file these under the long A with the vowel, consonant, silent E. Now, what do I notice about this word right here? Nation. Well, nation also does that, but you'll notice it's a little bit different than the others. It's not following a pattern. There's not a silent E at the end. So this is going to be our oddball for a second. So we're going to leave this one alone. We're just going to put a question mark to mark it. So now let's look at this word may. What do you notice about this word may? Well, that A also is a long A sound. It makes that A sound, but it doesn't have that silent E at the end. So whenever I have this pattern, AY, it also makes a long A sound. Now, what I want you guys to do, we still have this oddball right here. I want you to think of words in which the letter patterns EA, so right here, and EI make the long A sound. Can you guys think of any? Here's one to get us started. Great. It has that EA sound, but guess what? It also has, or it has that EA pattern, but instead of it being a long E, it's that long A sound. What's another one? Well, we have this word right here, neighbor. Notice how that neighbor also has what? An A sound. Here's another one that has this EI that makes the long A sound. Way. Like, man, that weighs a lot. So now, I want you guys to think out these words. Sandy and management. What do we notice about them? Well, Sandy, that's a short A. So I'm going to put this in this column. And we have this word management. What do we notice about that? Well, I have this A right here. That's a short A. So I can put in this column. Oops, but that was the wrong one. Here we go. Management. Now, let's keep going. What about this one? Ask. Ask. We don't say ask. It's not a long A. It makes that A sound like in cat. So this one's also going to be in that short A sound. So now we're going to add some more to them. So I want you guys to look at these words. Rake, saying, sleigh, tail, task. Now, where are these words going to go in our columns? Well, rake has that A silent E, so it's going to go in this category right here. What do we have about this one right here? Saying. Well, that AY we learned makes that A sound. Saying. So I'm going to file it in this category. Sleigh. Oh, that makes that A sound. Even though it looks like it should be a long E because it has an E in there, it makes that A sound. So this is why it's important we say it out loud. Sleigh. Our next one, tail. Tail. So this one is also a long A. It has that AI sound, or that AI pattern for that A sound. Our last one is task. So what do we know about task? Well, it's also that A sound. So here we go. So now that we've looked at some of them, what I want you guys to do is, these are going to be your spelling words for the week. These words right up here, and you guys need to put them in the correct spot. So are you guys ready? Trails, spray, national, maintain, locate, staff, greatly, natural. All right, guys, good luck. Remember to sort them, but make sure that you're saying them out loud so you're hearing that long A and short A sound. All right, guys, good luck. May the force be with you.